In October of 2021, I embarked on a road trip that led me through the small town of Rolling Fork, Mississippi. In the aftermath of the March 2023 tornadoes, Rolling Fork has since been torn apart, making the following footage and stories a glimpse of the past with hopes for the future. As I traveled north in my 1976 Volkswagen Bus with my faithful road trip companion, my dog Izzy, we made a quick stop in Onward, Mississippi, about 15 miles south of Rolling Fork. It was here, the town known as the home of the teddy bear, where I was told I needed to stop in Rolling Fork. Apparently, I had just missed Rolling Fork's annual October event, the Great Delta Bear Affair. But I could still see all of the permanent bear carvings scattered across town, my new friend Jim told me. And even better, I could fortify myself with the town's infamous Chuck Burger, a juicy delicacy topped with chili, coleslaw, and pickles, and available at Chuck's Dairy Bar. I, of course, had to try it.
Oh, that's pretty good. Chuck's Dairy Bar in Rolling Fork, Mississippi. Small chocolate shake, Chuck Burger was $8.25.
Just recently, Rolling Fork was hit by a devastating tornado, leaving much of the town in ruins. It was heartbreaking to hear that Chuck's Dairy Bar was among the many buildings destroyed. However, I learned that the quick thinking of 8 employees saved their lives. They had taken shelter in the refrigerator at the last second, and though the diner was destroyed, they had survived. My heart goes out to the people of Rolling Fork and the surrounding communities. I love the Chuck Burger and the many carvings of teddy bears throughout the town, and will now remember this town fondly for a long, long time to come. Rolling Fork, we stand with you, and our thoughts and prayers are out to you as you recover and rebuild.